We lived close to some people that had some big sawmills, and they'd wear their old planer mill blades out. And I'd take those real hard planer mill blades and make knives out of them. And then the next thing you know, the local people wanted me to make them one. We'd done it with very crude equipment. It really didn't wind up with as good a knife as we can make now by a long way. When you get all the lines where on one side of the knife, it's exactly like the other side of the knife, and you can't do that with just anything. You have to have some good equipment. You can take one of the square wheel grinders and pretty much make a knife almost completely with it. You don't really need a whole lot. You need some buffers, but you can do all of the whole knife with that grinder. And that's a very smooth grinder, and that's very important when you're keeping your lines straight in a knife. Some of the first knives I made on modern equipment was on that type grinder. The variable speed is, when you're trying to get those lines good and straight, sometimes you have to slow the machine down a little bit to get that done. And if you're in a hurry to get it ground and get it basically laid out, then that high speed will help you get the job done a whole lot quicker. I'm for the high-tech machines because the way I used to do it, it was really tough. Take a long time. You're talking about taking a week to make a knife. You know what I mean? Now I make a pretty good knife probably in a day.